Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step through the process of linking TradingView with XNES. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to check if you can connect your XNES account to TradingView and what to do if it's not available. This is going to help you streamline your trading workflow, letting you analyze and execute trades all from one powerful platform. So let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to head over to TradingView. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that now. TradingView is one of the most popular tools out there for charting and market analysis, so having your broker linked up can make life a whole lot easier. Once you're on TradingView, you'll notice a menu or toolbar, usually along the left or towards the top. What you want to do is look for products. Give that a click. This is kind of like opening a professional toolbox. Here you can access various TradingView features, but for now we're focusing on trading through your broker. Now for the next step, let's slow things down a bit. At the very bottom of your TradingView interface, you'll see an option called Trading Panel. It might not jump out at you immediately, so take a moment and scroll to the lower portion of your chart screen. Go ahead and click on Trading Panel. This panel is basically your gateway for connecting different brokers with your TradingView account, so it's an important step if you want to execute trades seamlessly from within the platform. After you've opened the Trading Panel, you'll notice a list of several brokers that are compatible with TradingView. Don't worry if your screen looks a little overwhelming at first. There are lots of broker options, but it's actually pretty easy to navigate. What you want to do now is click on All Brokers. This will pull up the full list, which is especially helpful because sometimes the broker you want might not be one of the first few listed. Once you have the full list open, head up to the search bar at the top of the broker section. Type in XNES and see what comes up. If XNES is supported in your region, it should show up here. Take your time and don't worry if you need to scroll a bit. Sometimes there are a lot of options and it's easy to miss things if you're skimming quickly, but here, where it's important to pause. If you scroll through all the available brokers and just can't seem to find XNES, that means that, unfortunately, XNES isn't currently supported by TradingView as a connected broker. Don't worry, you haven't done anything wrong. TradingView only supports certain brokers at any given time, and availability can also depend on your location. It's a little bit like looking for a specific item at your favorite grocery store. Sometimes it's just not in stock, but it might be available later. And that's the whole process. You've just learned how to check if you can link TradingView with XNES. If you do spot XNES in the list, you can go ahead and connect your account by following the prompts. Just make sure you're logged into your XNES account and have your credentials handy. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or ran into any snags, drop a comment below. I'm always here to help out. And of course, for more tutorials and trading tips, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching and happy trading.